This video will instruct you on how to be folding the BX-880. So you're going to want to make sure you pre-fold everything. It will be coming with the bottom attached like so, and a Velcro dot right here. Now that we have everything pre-folded, we can start assembling. We're going to start with the lid. You can punch out these little spots right here. On the other side as well. So we're going to fold this up, and these tabs as well, so that the slot is underneath them, while folding up this part. So it's going to be looking like this, and folding that over, locking into those tab holes. Just like that. And we're going to do the same on this side, making sure these little tabs go up first, and then these tucks, and folding over, locking into place. And that is the lid. Next, we're going to be folding up the bottom. So we're going to be folding this one down first, and then these two sides, and then this last panel. Press it gently to go into that tuck. You kind of press down on the bottom to flatten things out. Then on here, we have this Velcro dot. You will have to remove this little piece of paper and stick it to this part of the box. You can just fold it and then press like so. You have your BX-880.